Hi everybody, I'm Sean Thomas, BMW brand ambassador, and I'm here in Long Beach, California at the International Motorcycle Show, and I am standing by one of the icons of BMW motorcycles. This is the BMW R1250 GS. Now the GS has been an icon for BMW for 40 years. Since 1980 we had our first R80 GS, and we've moved all the way through now to the 1250. This is one of the newest iterations of the GS. I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the features of this bike. First and foremost, one of the things that stayed the same on the GS through 40 years is the riding posture. Adventure riding is very popular because you put your weight centered on your hips. Your body posture is very relaxed. Your hands drape out and touch the bars. This is great for long and short distance riding. It's great for sport riding. It's great for commuting. It's a very well-rounded style. Of course, with GSs, you can also go off-road. Riders that want to take the bike off the pavement and go exploring. We have lots of features like spoked wheels. The great thing about spoked wheels are very flexible, so if you impact things, the wheels themselves absorb a lot of the impact. What's great about BMW wheels is that they've got cross spokes. You can see the spokes poking out the outside of the rims. The benefit to this is that even though they're spoked, they're also tubeless. So if you get a flat tire, it's very easy to fix it and get back on the road again. Of course, we also have the Boxer twin motor. BMW has been making motors in the Boxer twin style since 1923. The latest version is a 1250cc motor. It also now has what's called a shift cam. What that is a shifting intake cam. It allows for a lot of low-end torque and a lot of high-end horsepower, so you get the best of both worlds in one motor. For those of you who've ridden a GS before, when you ride the 1250, you'll notice it's a lot smoother. It's really easy to ride at really low speeds, and it has a lot of power and fuel economy. It's a very difficult combination, but they achieved it with this bike. Now, this particular GS is also special because it's a low frame model. That means that on this bike, they have different suspension on it to make it very easy for lots of people in different heights to ride. This has a low frame and a low seat. You combine those two and it gives us a very wide range of people that can ride the bike. This comes in 3 different heights, a low, a standard, and a sport suspension model. So if you're 6'4" like me, or reaching closer to 5 foot like some people are, you might be able to find a bike that fits you.
And Sean, for the end, how much this beauty costs?
The BMW R1250 GS starts at $17,895. Very, very nicely equipped with several options. Of course, there's other things that you can buy with it too, like side cases and whatnot, but very reasonable price. Go to your local dealer and check one out.